Here I have CUBOT tablet Tab 10, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open Google app, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then tap on the camera icon here. Then tap on the camera, open camera, allow. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, immediately as it spots this QR code, it shows me the page which has been encoded here. So you just tap on the gear icon, on the search icon, and this page will be opened instantly. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.